team, it's Mr. Z, and today we're going to figure out the population growth of various cities. Let's go and take a closer look and see how this relates to our unit. All right, so when you're given a certain situation, remember that the idea is that you're always going to have the principal be multiplied by the rate added or subtracted to 1. It is currently growing, right? It's growing at a rate of 1.8%, and it starts at 636,500 souls. Now it's growing, so it's going to be 1 plus the decimal version of 1.8, which is going to be 0.018. Then it's going to be raised to the t power. Now, you have to remember that this function is going to be in accordance to 2013 is going to be year 0. So for the predicted population for 2025, I'm going to have to plug in 12 in my equation. So that means I'm going to figure out 636,500 times 1.018 to the 12th power. And I'm going to rely on a calculator to do this. 636,500 times 0.018 to the 12th power. And it's going to come up with 788,445. I'm not going to include any decimals because you can't have half of a person. And I'm going to add a parentheses for clarification. I'm going to repeat this process. The function for Charlotte, North Carolina was approximately 775,000. It was growing. So I'm going to take 1 and add it to 0.032, and then it's going to be t. So the function in terms of how many years? Well, in 2013, it was approximately 775. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the time value. It's going back in time. So I'm going to plug in negative 13 in. This is going to be 775,000 times 1.032 to the negative 13th power. And when I plug this into my calculator, it is going to reveal that the original population in the year 2000 was 514,595. Add a comma for clarity. Now I can go ahead and just look at it. The population did grow over the case of 13 years, so I'm going to continue about my day. So this next one is going to be very similar. It's going to be a function in accordance to t, and it is going to be 20,690,000, and it's growing at a rate of 1 plus 0.055, and it was in 1980. So how long ago was that? 12, negative 32 years. So this is going to be 20,690,000 times 1.055 to the negative 32 power. This is going to end up with an output of the following. Three, 7, 2, 9, 7, 6, 7, and I add a comma for clarity. I hope this helped review just some of the techniques. Remember that it is always going to have the exponent in the variable, and that the principal or A1 is our starting amount. Hope this helped. That's